Started with nothing, look at me now, I made a way for me. Remember them times when it was hard for me to save a G. The cars weren't always foreign, but we would get from A to B. Interior in the Beamer tan, Benz got some white seats. Hold on, baby, what's your name? It's the face for me. She from Memphis, from behind, looking like a Georgia peach.
Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to install natural looking mini twists using 3C4A Kinky Coily Bulk Hair by HOTBRAIDS. The best part, HOTBRAIDS sends you everything you need to get started, from a rat tail comb, spray bottle, and section clips to a detailed maintenance booklet that breaks everything down for you. So if you're ready for a soft, lightweight, and protective twist style, let's jump right in. To install your HOTBRAIDS mini twist, start on freshly washed and conditioned hair. As you can see, she's beginning in the back of my head, making sure the part is bone straight for a neat, polished finish. Be sure to grease your scalp as you go to keep it moisturized, and apply edge control along the part to help define and sharpen the section. Before you begin twisting, always comb through the section to make sure it's fully detangled. This helps ensure a smooth and long-lasting install. Use clips to keep the rest of the hair out of the way so you can focus on each section. Now that everything is prepped, we're ready to start the mini twist. Before adding any bulk hair, she begins by splitting my natural section into 3 small strands and braiding it down about 1 inch or so. This step helps anchor the extension and creates a seamless, natural looking roots, making the mini twist blend effortlessly with my own hair. Once the base braid is in place, she takes a piece of the HOTBRAIDS hair and positions it over the braided section. She then braids the bulk hair into my natural braid just a few more turns down to make sure it's fully secure and won't slip. After that, she begins the 2-strand twist by dividing the hair evenly and twisting it down the length of the section. As she twists, she carefully blends my natural hair with the extension, making sure the texture stays smooth and the twist is consistent from top to bottom. The root is kept tight and clean for a polished look, but never too tight. Protective style should never cause pain or strain on your scalp. As she reaches the end, she gently pulls through the twist to make sure it's uniform and neat. Then she applies a small amount of lightweight mousse to the ends, which helps seal the twist, tame flyaways, and define the curl pattern. This not only locks in the style, but also gives the twist a soft, bouncy finish. When she reaches the bottom, she twirls the end of the twist around her finger to help define the curl and keep it from unraveling. Throughout the process, make sure you're greasing both your scalp and your natural hair. This is a protective style, so keeping your natural hair moisturized underneath is key to preventing dryness and breakage. Okay, so let's talk about how to part. When parting the hair, I always use a rat tail comb with a pointed end for precision. Start at the scalp and drag the comb in one smooth motion to create a clean straight line. Once you parted the section, clip the rest of the hair out of the way so it doesn't interfere. To sharpen the part even more, apply a little edge control or parting wax directly to the scalp line, then smooth it out with the comb or your finger. This will give your parts that crisp, salon quality look and help your twist come out super neat and uniform. Also, gently brush through each section before twisting to ensure it's fully detangled. This helps the twist lay smoother and last longer.
Every other day I will call, you will say.
One perk about my little sister doing my hair, y'all, is, baby, when I say I get them singing breaks, these side be singing down. Stop playing with her.
You know I'm not assuming things. So I'm going down there because you're not that hard as you.
This install is very repetitive. You'll continue following the same steps for each section until you reach the final twist. Part the hair, braid a small portion at the root, secure the bulk hair by braiding it in, then twist all the way down, twirling the ends around your finger for a defined finish. Throughout the process, remember to take your time and stay consistent. Grease your scalp regularly to keep it moisturized and healthy. Make sure each part is bone straight for a clean, professional look. And don't forget to detangle each section before you twist. This will make the process smoother and help your twist last longer. This entire process took her about 6 to 8 hours, but we definitely took our time and took plenty of breaks in between. Now that most of the hard work is done, I'm going to kick back, play some music, and let you enjoy the rest of the video. Feel free to vibe with me while she finishes up these last few twists. Okay, so y'all gotta hear my voice one more time. When she's halfway done with the install, she go in with a generous amount of mousse to help lock everything in. The mousse will reduce frizz, define your twist, and give the style a soft, polished finish. Smooth it through from root to tip to make sure each twist is fully coated. Then go in with your favorite lightweight oil and apply it directly to your scalp. This will help seal in moisture, add shine, and keep your scalp healthy while your style is in. A well moisturized scalp is key to making your protective style truly protective. Now that the mini twist install is complete, she's going in and trimming the ends. This helps give the style a neat, polished finish and ensures there are no scraggly or uneven pieces left behind. Once your mini twists are fully installed and trimmed, it's important to protect your style, especially overnight. Gather your twists gently and secure them under a satin or silk bonnet before bed. This helps prevent frizz, breakage, and moisture loss while you sleep. You wake up, oh, I'm tired. Your bonnet's still on because you slept good last night. So you're going to take your bonnet off, shake out your hair. D-side taught me this in support of mom. Then you're just going to take either some leave-in conditioner or whatever you like, whatever you refreshing it with. That's how you refresh it, nothing else. So when I order hair online, how do I match the texture to my hair? HOTBRAIDS will actually send you sample hair pieces before your install so you can match your texture perfectly. This helps ensure the hair blends well with your natural strands, making the final look more flawless and natural looking. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in the overall outcome. So don't worry about the hazards of, oh my God, is it gonna match my hair? Reach out to them. They answer any questions, y'all. They get back to you in a decent amount of time. Get them to send you over the samples so you can match your hair. I'm finna show y'all some different styles that you can do with this hair. Y'all, this style made me look like I'm 12 again. So if you want to look younger, baby, you need to go on HOTBRAIDS right now. Okay, y'all, so y'all saw all the different styles you can do. This hair, y'all, it doesn't itch, it doesn't cause frizzing, like it don't irritate the scalp. It is 100% Herman hair. So be sure to check out their website. I'm gonna have everything listed below. They do send you over 5 bundles. I only use 3, so I have 2 left. Again, if you take the hair down right, y'all, like safe, correctly, and not just snatch it out your head, you can reuse it because it is Herman hair. So be sure to check out their website. Again, y'all, y'all. I want to send a huge shout out to HOTBRAIDS for sending me over this hair and sponsoring this video. Huge shout out to D-Style for installing this hair. It is easy to install, like it is DIY friendly. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe this video. Give me a thumbs up, y'all. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do reach out to HOTBRAIDS, please tag me. Show me how y'all did it. Like, come on, y'all. Thank y'all. Bye.